So, while waiting for the new belt to show up, went to move this one day and turn the key on, Caitlin.
I think I had it upside down.
Yep, no fuel pressure. Okay, you can turn it off. Turn it on again. Yep, fuel pump's working. We're just not getting fuel pressure. I even pulled the line off of the gas tank side of the fuel filter, and we're not even getting fuel to the fuel filter. So that means we get to pull the bed again. My favorite. So we'll work on doing that real quick and see what the problem is. Ready?
Yep.
Am I ready?
Nope.
Nope. Is it up against here?
Yeah, that's where it was last time.
Good. Yeah. Shakes the pickup, that means it's solid. Okay.
Some sloppy mechanics right there.
What are you talking about? Can you see my butt?
Yep.
Perfect.
Coming over from this side.
You want to hit the key, I guess?
Can't really see, it's so dark.
It is dark.
Your head fits like perfectly up in there.
I know, it's awesome. So even if it does rain, I'm protected.
That's so funny. Okay. Just turn the key.
Yep, just turn the key on. Okay, I guess you can turn it off. Unplug that. Good thing I went through the extra work of making this unplug. I didn't expect to have to unplug it so soon, but glad I did it. Now my favorite part, we gotta undo some fuel lines. Hopefully I don't break the top of the fuel hat like I did last time.
Oh gosh, I just about fell over.
Yeah, don't fall over. And now we just gotta undo these 3 lines. Get that off and we'll see what the issue is. Hey, oh.
There you go. Is this thing gonna fall on you?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we just shook the pickup. It's solid.
Okay. Well, screw you.
Thanks. Rip this ring off. See what's going on in here. Oh, yeah, that could be an issue. Well, you can see that, but apparently I didn't have this hose clamp on in a good enough spot, so it just came right off. Let's get this out and see if we can't re-hose clamp that. Well, I'll just lay this over real quick like, and here's our issue. Apparently, whoever put this fuel pump together hose clamped it, but didn't hose clamp it in the right spot. So, really, they did absolutely nothing. Me. I am that person. I am the dummy. Okay, well, we got it tightened back up. I can't pull it off, so I guess all that means now is throw it back in the tank and See if it works. Sounds like it's drowning in there. Uh-oh, can't get it in the hole. Get in the hole, get in the hole. Not hitting. No? Wanna try and start it?
All the way or just turn the key?
You can just turn the key. Ooh, that sounded different. Turn it off, turn it back on again.
The gauge is still saying heater.
Yeah, that's fine. Leave the key on. Okay, try and start it. For now.
What is that supposed to mean?
Means it's fixed for now.
Does the belt still squeak?
This is the wrong belt. So, I mean, we can go drive it. It just doesn't make the same power that it should. We can go drive it. You can go drive it. I'll sit in the passenger seat. It's still fun.